Good morning students. Today we are going to start English chapter 4, Bheem and the Buffalo. It is very interesting story, so listen carefully. Bheem was a poor farmer. He lived with his wife and 2 children in a village. He had a patch of land where he grew vegetables. His 2 buffaloes gave milk to the family. Bheem and his family were happy and they always thanked God for what they had. The children grew older. Bheem needed more money to send them to school. He and his wife decided to sell one of their buffalo. They were sad to part with the loyal animal that served them for many years, but they had no other option. The next morning, Bheem set out for the cattle market in the town with his buffalo. On the way, he met a man with a horse. The man said, "Friend, I want to sell my horse. Would you like to exchange it with your buffalo?" Bheem thought that was a good idea and happily gave the man his buffalo. But soon he discovered that the horse was lame. He felt disappointed and continued walking. Soon a man came with a cow. Bheem told the man what had happened. The man said, "Don't worry. Take my cow and give the lame horse to me." Bheem was very happy with the man's kindness. Soon Bheem realized that the cow was blind in one eye. He felt disheartened. He sat down under a tree, unable to decide what to do. Then a man came that way with a goat. He offered to exchange the goat for Bheem's cow. Bheem agreed, but afterwards found out that the goat was sick. Sad and confused, Bheem next exchanged his goat for a hen. It was evening. Bheem was hungry and tired. He sold the hen for a few rupees and bought some food to eat. As he was about to start, an old beggar walked up to him. "I have not eaten anything for many days. Please give me something to eat," the beggar pleaded. Bheem felt sorry for the beggar. He gave all the food to the beggar. Bheem returned home hungry, tired, and without a paisa in his pocket. Bheem's wife and children were not unhappy with him for losing the buffalo and making no money. His wife said, "You have done the right thing. One must never turn a hungry man away." The family went to bed. After dinner, when they woke up the next morning, they were amazed at what they saw. There stood in front of Bheem's house a line of animals: a young buffalo, a healthy horse, a cow, a goat, and a hen. There was also a bag of gold coins. After a few moments of surprise, they realized what had happened. Bheem's wife said, "I am sure the beggar you met was God's disgust. All this is reward for your kindness." Bheem's family had no more worries and they lived happily. So, what you have learned from this story is always help the poor. Okay? So, God will help you. So today you will read this chapter 2-3 times. Okay students.